राजधानी में 3 दिन का हिम संवाद कॉन्फ्रेंस हो रहा है और हिमालय रीजन को लेकर ये कॉन्फ्रेंस किया जाता है। इसका 4th एडिशन ईटानगर में हो रहा है। इस कॉन्फ्रेंस को में बातचीत करने के लिए हमारे साथ 2 गेस्ट हैं। विजय स्वामी जी, नॉर्थ ईस्ट में लंबे टाइम से आप काम कर रहे हैं एंड रिवॉच के आप एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर हैं। आई होप कि आप लोग विजय स्वामी जी को जानते ही होंगे। एंड वानी मनोराज, वानी जी सेवा इंटरनेशनल के डायरेक्टर हैं एंड हमारा जो ये कॉन्फ्रेंस है हिम संवाद 3 दिन का, उस कॉन्फ्रेंस की कन्वीनर हैं। आज के इस कॉन्फ्रेंस में हम हिम संवाद के बारे में जानेंगे एंड वो आपके जो प्रश्न होंगे पहले वानी जी बताएंगे हिम संवाद का क्या उद्देश्य है और ईटानगर में हम क्यों कर रहे हैं। उसके बाद डिटेल ब्रीफिंग विजय स्वामी जी रिवॉच देंगे। आई रिक्वेस्ट वानी जी, प्लीज आप हिम संवाद के बारे में बताएं।
Good afternoon to hello. Good afternoon to everybody. I am from Seva International. Seva International is an organization which has been working in the area of disaster management for the last more than 25 years. We started out of the Latur earthquake with an idea to connect the diaspora, of the Indian diaspora with areas which are facing disaster across India. From the work that we did in disaster management, we later turned to rehabilitation projects, which are now developmental activities which we are doing across the country. These activities include domains such as health, education, livelihood. We work across the length and breadth of the country. And Him Samvad was one of our interventions to work towards policy and discussion on sustainable development. So the idea of Him Samvad came from the 2017 conference that we did in Delhi, which was the first sustainable development conference in the country, which talked about sustainable development in the context of India and how what is the Indian perspective on development. From that, we realized that the Himalayan region, which is the Himalayan region is very important to the world itself because of its ecological and biodiversity which is there. And therefore, we looked at ensuring that when we talk about sustainable development, we look at the mountainous region, we look at the landscape of the Himalayan region, and what does sustainable development look for this particular region of our country. And that is why we ideated on Himalayan Him Samvad, which is Himalayan Ideation Meet and Samvad for discussion on the Himalayan region. The first Him Samvad happened in Dehradun, where we did it in FRI Dehradun. We had different sessions, we had experts, and from that a lot of recommendations came about for civil society, think tanks, NGOs, also for government officials, which Seva International has been taking forward. We then did the second edition after 2 years. We did that in 2020 in Solan. We did that in 2022 in Solan. So the first Him Samvad happened in 2020 and the second happened in Solan in 2022. And this happened right after COVID. So COVID was a very important topic which was discussed. We had 4 different themes on which we spoke on. We got around 150 recommendations from that, from our Solan conference, which we then ensured we were looking at collaboration, and we saw a lot of collaboration happening between the participants of the conference. The Him Samvad is based on the idea that when we talk about sustainable development, it cannot happen without talking with the communities, without ensuring that there is the indigenous perspective which should be part of these conversations. It should not be academic. It should be cross-sectoral, where we have people from think tanks, government, we have people from NGOs sitting together on a panel and talking about the real challenges of the Himalayan region. One thing which is very unique to this conference, which we did last year, was a focus group discussion. So in conferences where, we have participants who come and listen, we wanted to ensure that the lived realities and experiences of the participants also, of the delegates who are coming from across the Himalayan region, should also be part of this conference. So we ensured that the focus group discussion, which is a very key part where we engage our delegates and in small groups to talk about the challenges and their lived realities, so that we can get better and more nuanced recommendations from the delegates as well as the speakers. And that is how the conference has been envisaged. With regards to how this conference in Itanagar is going to be impactful and the details, I will request Vijayji to take that forward. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम विजय स्वामी है। मैं रिवॉच रोइंग जो है रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ वर्ल्ड्स एंशिएंट ट्रेडिशंस कल्चर्स एंड हेरिटेज रिवॉच, इसका मैं एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर हूं। और ये कॉन्फ्रेंस जो है सेवा इंटरनेशनल दिल्ली एंड गवर्नमेंट ऑफ अरुणाचल प्रदेश एंड रिवॉच ये ज्वाइंटली कर रहे हैं विद द सपोर्ट ऑफ गवर्नमेंट ऑफ अरुणाचल प्रदेश। बेसिकली एज वाणी जी सेड राइटली कि अलग अलग जगहों में हिमालय के अलग अलग क्षेत्र में इसकी कॉन्फ्रेंस होने के बावजूद वी थॉट दैट हमारी ये कॉन्फ्रेंस है ये अरुणाचल में भी होनी चाहिए। तो इसलिए हमने ये विचार किया, क्योंकि अरुणाचल का यदि सोशो डेमोग्राफिक यदि विचार करेंगे तो आपको पता चले कि वी हैव ए ग्रेट नॉलेज ऑफ लोकल कम्युनिटीज, दे हैव ए नॉलेज ऑफ ट्रेडिशनल नॉलेज सिस्टम टू एड्रेस द इश्यूज, मे बी हर्बल मेडिसिन, मे बी वाटर रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट, मे बी हमारे अलग अलग जगहों में समाज के साथ जो और पृथ्वी के साथ जो होता है जमीन के साथ, इसके अलग अलग नियम, जैसे हमें सेक्रेट ग्रोव्स बनाते हैं, है कि नहीं। तो हेल्थ हो या वाटर हो या और कोई भी चीज हो, हिमालयन हमारे जो क्रिटिकल इश्यूज हमारे पास यहाँ होते हैं उसको एड्रेस करने का अपना एक तरीका है अरुणाचल का। तो हमने सोचा कि मॉडर्न मीन्स और ट्रेडिशनल नॉलेज ये दोनों को जोड़ते हुए हम इस हिमालय के चैलेंजेस को कैसा हम लोग एड्रेस कर सकते हैं। इट इज नॉट ओनली एड्रेसिंग बट वी आर गोइंग टू as we discussing many and many more issues in the conference, ये जो सिम संवाद में, तब एक्सपर्ट्स लोग जो आए उनके सजेशंस, लोकल कम्युनिटी एक्सपर्ट, रिसर्च स्कॉलर्स, स्टूडेंट्स कम्युनिटीज, एल्डर्स ऑफ द अरुणाचल प्रदेश, उनके साथ चर्चा करने के बाद जो निकलेगा that will form the policies. We will suggest to the government that to make the policies for that and find a correct solution, and we can say it will benefit to the local communities. So because of that ये कॉन्फ्रेंस बहुत महत्व की है, क्योंकि every time when we do, sometimes we involve the local communities, but in Arunachal we have taken care of that traditional knowledge के लिए हम लोग इन्वॉल्व कर रहे हैं और उसके साथ इसको जोड़ के हम लोग दे रहे हैं। इसके साथ में हमने जो लोग बाहर के एक्सपर्ट लोगों को जो इन्वॉल्व किया है, दे आर वेरी रेनाउंड पीपल एक्चुअली। तो जैसे कि मैं कुछ नाम बताता हूं आपको। डॉक्टर अनिल कौल, ये एक्टिंग वाइस चांसलर इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ पब्लिक हेल्थ हैदराबाद वहां के हैं। ही इज ऑल्सो ए डायरेक्टर गुरुस पुनावाला ना सेंटर के वो डायरेक्टर भी है। और एक फॉर्मर एम्बेसडर है अनूप कुमार मुदगल, ही इज IFS ऑफिसर एंड रिटायर्ड है। फॉर्मर इंडियाज हाई कमिश्नर टू मॉरिशस वो है। देन और एक है डॉक्टर मनोज नरजारी, एम आई राइट, या एडवाइजर टू मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ आयुष वो है। श्री सत्या एस त्रिपाठी, सेक्रेटरी जनरल ग्लोबल अलायंस फॉर ए सस्टेनेबल प्लैनेट, यूनाइटेड नेशंस एनवायरमेंट प्रोग्राम, वो भी इस प्रोग्राम में भाग ले रहे हैं और उनका जो नॉलेज है वो हमारे साथ शेयर कर रहे हैं। और उसके बावजूद डॉक्टर संदीप कुमार सिंह, डायरेक्टर IIM काशीपुर, वो भी आ रहे हैं। और राजीव इसार, ही इज फ्रॉम UNDP। ऐसे इसके बावजूद बहुत से लोग हैं। वी हैव इनवाइटेड अराउंड 45 to 50 experts to deliberate and discuss these core issues of Himalaya. इसलिए हिम संवाद इसका नाम दिया है। हिम संवाद मीन्स ए डायलॉग ऑन हिमालय, इस तरह से इसका ये है। और इसलिए गवर्नमेंट ऑफ अरुणाचल प्रदेश हैज एक्टिवली सपोर्टेड दिस प्रोग्राम our initiative. So it is jointly organized by Seva International Reward, supported by Government of Arunachal Pradesh. So I think that this is a small brief introduction about the themes of us. हाँ, और इस प्रोग्राम के लिए 23rd इवनिंग अराउंड 4:30 the inauguration program will be there, and Honorable Chief Minister Sri Pema Khandu ji will be the chief guest. And इसका concluding जो है 24 और 25 में पूरे delegation होने के बाद में, deliberations होने के बाद में 25 evening there will be a concluding program, और उसके लिए हमारे Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Sri Chavna Menon ji, he will be the chief guest. Apart from the central government से कुछ officials, कुछ ministers also will be participating. उनके नाम confirm हो रहे, उसके बाद में जानकारी बाद में दी जाएगी, परंतु हमारे inaugural guest will be Honorable Chief Minister और concluding program will be Honorable Deputy Chief Minister. ऐसा है. So thank you. Any questions if you have, please.
Solar. Third is this. So we are looking at it. So the first SDG conference that happened, we are counting it from that because we are talking about sustainable development. So in that sense, this is the 4th edition of the conference where we are talking about sustainable development. Him Samvad is the 3rd year.
So, ma'am, as you're conducting it in Canada, have you done any surveys, or what is the theme for this?
So we have 2 themes this year. We have water and health. For water, we have 3 sessions. For water, we are looking at water security. We are looking spring rejuvenation as another area. And the third is groundwater and resource management. For health, we are looking again at 3 particular panels and sessions that we have. In health, we have one on Sowa Rigpa and holistic healthcare, so looking at yoga, Sowa Rigpa, and other traditional forms of medicine which are practiced in the Himalayan region and how they can be integrated into, into Ayush. The second is investing in healthcare. So when we talk about healthcare, we have to look at healthcare delivery, access to healthcare delivery, and also how are we looking at investment into healthcare delivery. So that's the second. And the third is we are talking on nature's pharmacy. So because we know that there's a lot of bountiful medicinal plants which the Himalayan region gives to the world. So we are looking at talking about what could be the potential area or opportunity for medicinal plant, as well as how do we take that forward from the Himalayan perspective.
Apart from this, there is another one thing in support with what Vani ji said. उसका एक और एक महत्व है. United Nations is looking for a big way, to address certain issues in the mountain region as well as the world's humanity what is facing. One is the Sustainable Development Goals, जिसको हम SDG बोलते हैं. वो third SDG जो है United Nations का, that is related to water, and 6th number SDG जो है, that is related to health. So we have incorporated those things in our our particular conference. So we are also addressing the SDGs also. So UNDP के लोग भी participate कर रहे हैं इसमें. So this is also another area.
Since you must be aware of the government of Andhra Pradesh coming up with mega hydropower projects in Andhra Pradesh, despite so much resistance from local community. So will it be, since your paper is mentioning about reverse, so will this be a topic of discussion, deliberation in the conference, the mega hydro projects which are being coming up by the government?
Of course, we are not going to address this particular issue where mega dam issues are there. Dam issues we will not do it. But the importance of water resources, water management, and water, portable water where we drink, that इस तरह के issue हम लोग address करेंगे. Definitely, modern means and considering the local people's aspirations, that issues of policy at the government level, that we will not address because that is another policy decision. But whereas water scarcity, water management, water these things, those issues we will definitely address.
Recently, a group of scientists has been around with the proposed mega dam.
Yeah.
Yes. There was a lot of resource person in the proposed meeting.
Yeah.
Should we have such discussion?
No, we will not do that discussion.